Wish you all a very good day. Last few class, intermediate second year grammar, we had learned to some advertisement. Today, we have learning to new advertisement. So please listen and very careful. Dear students, this is the one kind advertisement. SBI, State Bank of India, introduced floating rate terms deposits. What is that? State Bank of India introduced floating rate terms deposits. So terms deposit, terms means it was year, 3 years, 4 years, 6 years, terms middle wise, terms step by step. So please observe the picture. SBI introduced floating rate terms deposit. Please observe careful the picture. Then, when life is all about change, when life is all about change, why not your interest rate? Why not your interest rate? And below they are giving one table. First one, table period. Second one, floating interest rate percent wise. And third one, depository on base rate. Third one is depository on base rate. And period, 1 year, period, in 1 year, floating interest rate percent 7.00% and depository on base rate in column 0.5% below base rate. And period, second one, 3 years term. And floating interest rate based on 3 years ki, and floating interest rate 7.25. 3 years period, floating interest rate 7.25, depository and base rate 0.25 below base rate. And third one, period 5 years, floating interest rate 7.50 and depository on base rate as base rate. And SBI, floating rate term deposit. And underline, for more information, please call 247 helpline 1800112211, toll free from BSNL landline, or email contact sbi@co.in, or visit www.sbi.co.in. They are giving, if you have to contact more details, they will give you helpline number. And you want to literally information, please contact to official website and they will give the SBI mail ID also. And in underline, they are trusting the bankers to every Indian. Last slogan, the bankers to every Indian. So please observe, this is the advertisement of SBI introduce floating rate term deposit. Last time we know about to saving bank account, NEFT, deposit, and how to apply new job. So it is extra you have learned. Now term deposit. Please observe again the picture. This is the term deposit advertisement, and they are giving some questions, that is 5 questions. If you have to fill only one word answer. The term deposit is published on only senior citizens, not only adult and youngers. It is opportunity for available, especially it is used for senior citizens most of the use. So I read questions, each one they are giving 5 questions. We are answered the questions only one word answered. Ready students, listen carefully. I read first question. The facility of floating rate term deposit was not available early year. Again I repeat, the facility of floating rate term deposit was not available early year. So he was mentioned true or false. True or false. True means really, false means fake. So again I repeat first question. The facility of floating rate term deposit was not available earlier. Earlier means it is true or false? True. They will give the earlier term deposit. First year, 3 year, 5 years. It is earlier, not a long. Answer is true. And second one question. Which organization is offering this facility? Again I repeat second question. Which organization is offering these facilities? So the facility is offer the bank name. Which is the organization? This is the largest government organization. This is the government largest organization. So you know about the organization name? Organization means bank. Which bank is offering this facility? He is asking question, which organization is offering this facility? So organization means here bank. Which bank is offering this facility? Very easy answer. Now we have learned about the advertisement belongs to which bank. The bank name is State Bank of India. Answer is State Bank of India. So it is the 3 words large. You don't fill about shortcut. You mention SBI also. SBI also correct answer. Remaining people are mentioned State Bank of India. Both are correct. And then third one question. This product is open. Again I repeat, this product is open to every customer. Answer true or false. This product is open to every customer. This product is only useful to term deposit senior citizens. So this product is open to every customer or not? True or false? The product is not open to every customer. It is the false. Answer is false. And fourth question. Who is eligible for an additional 0.5 interest rate? 0.5 interest rate. It is 1 year. 1 year. Already I mentioned period 1 year. Floating interest rate 7.00 and depository on base rate 0.5% below base rate. So who is eligible for an additional 0.5 interest rate? That is the eligible for senior citizens. 0.5 interest rate, who is eligible? Senior citizens only. And last fifth question, which number can be contacted for more information? Again I repeat fifth question, which number can be contacted for more details? Last finally the brochure they have mentioned, for more information contact helpline, and they will mention number and BSN landline and email contact or website. So which number can be contact for more information? Already they have mentioned advertisement in the number has mentioned. So the number is 1800111211. Fifth one answer is 1800111211. This is the contact number. If you have to contact, they will find out to more details. Already advertisement, the number is mentioned in advertisement. So we have to learn how to fill the short answer questions in advertisement one kind. So now we have learned about that. What is the advertisement? State Bank of India introduced floating rate term deposit. Today we have learned. So thank you students. Another one we had learned next class, another advertisement. Thank you.